Hello students, in this video we will discuss about cuboid and what is the surface area of cuboid and what is the volume of cuboid. Now here first we try to understand what is the cuboid. Cuboid is nothing but cuboid is a 3D figure in which there are 6 faces. We draw the figure of cuboid like this. This is a cuboid and here there are 6 faces, 4 faces on 4 sides, that means 1, 2, 3 and 1 back side, 4, and 1 face is bottom, top and another face is bottom. So there are 6 faces and there are 8 vertices. 8 vertices means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are 12 edges. That means cuboid is a 3D figure in which there are 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. This is known as cuboid. But remember always, length, breadth and height, both all 3 sides are different measurement. Here this is the length denoted by A, this is the width, this is the height denoted by C, and this is the width denoted by B. Length, breadth and height. But in the cuboid they are not equal. That means length, width and height will be different measurement. Now we will discuss what is the surface area of this cuboid. Surface area means surface area of all 6 faces is together known as surface area of cuboid. And the formula for surface area of cuboid: surface area or total surface area or whole surface area. These are all same thing, and this will be equal to 2 into A into B, that means L into B, plus B into C, that means width into height, plus height into length. 2 into A into B plus B into C plus C into A. Since as you seen here, there are 6 faces, but 2 faces are the same measurement. That means this side and back side will be same measurement. This side and this side face will be same measurement. Top and bottom faces will be same measurement. So here find area of one face and multiplied by 2. Area of one face multiplied by 2. Area of one face multiplied by 2. That means this is the area of 2 face, this is the area of 2 face, this is the area of 2 face. So this will be surface area of all 6 faces. Now one area is also given here, and this is known as curved surface area. What is the curved surface area? If we left the top and bottom surface and find the remaining four areas, remaining areas of 4 sides is known as CSA or LSA. CSA known as curved surface area, or LSA or lateral surface area. In this area we left the area of top face and bottom face. That means this will be 2 into A plus B into C. That means 2 into length plus width into height. And this area is also known as area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. Now, what is the volume of this cuboid? Volume of cuboid is nothing but this will be length into width into height. That means length into width into height. If you want to find the volume of cuboid, then you should multiply the length, width and height. That means dimension of this cuboid. Since unit of surface area, since this is the area, so unit of surface areas will be in square unit. In square unit. Curved surface area is also in square unit. Square unit. And volume is in cubic unit. Now, if we want to find the diagonal of this cuboid, then we can find length of diagonal is equal to root under L square, that means length square plus width square plus height, that means C square. That means root under A square plus B square plus C square unit. Now in the next video, we will discuss about next type of 3D figure, cube.